Hello traders, today is the 22nd of March 2010 and I would like to talk about how to enter a trade like professional traders at 3 a.m. Eastern Time. Enter your trade after 3 a.m. Eastern Time. As a forex trader, the number one rule that a professional trader will use, they will never enter their trade before London opens. In my previous video, there was a little error where I said that London opened at 5 a.m. Eastern Time. That's completely wrong. London is opening at 3 a.m. Eastern Time. Okay, 3 a.m. Eastern Time, London is opening. Okay, unless they have changed the time 1 hour for the summer or whatever for the winter. But remember that London is opening at 3 a.m. Eastern Time. Okay, if you are not sure, you can check it on the internet or Google. So the professional forex traders, this video is mostly for those who are trading the London session, either stock in the London session or forex in general. Okay, so the rule number one that the professional trader uses is that they will never enter a trade before London opens at 3 a.m. Eastern Time. Here on this chart, I will show you something very interesting that happened today, the 22nd of March 2010. This morning, I watched this carefully, and for this, it happened again. It's happening all the time. Do not place any trade before London opens. Otherwise, they're just going to take your money and run away with it, unless you push your stop maybe 100-point upward, which is completely mad because you want to have a very nice reward risk ratio. Okay, if you follow my cursor here, you will see these green rectangles here, and we can see that since the 18th of March, 19th of March, the price was just having difficulty to cross this level here. You can see the size of these candles here within the rectangles, and anytime you can see all the wick here. Anytime the price reaches this top here, the top of the rectangles here, we see this long wick also here. We see that there is a lot of orders being placed here. People are selling. Okay, you don't need any other information. It's clear that for 1 to 3 days the chart is having problem to cross this level, and this long wick here, do you see this one here, is telling us that there are a lot of sellers on the top here. Okay, that's how you know what's going on. This long wick is telling us that there are some orders being placed here, and they are not bullish orders, they are bearish orders. And this one also telling us, you see this one here, the green one went all the way up here and they push it back. It closed nicely further below the middle line of this candle here. Okay, when the one candle went up and then the second one closed far below the middle line of that candle, you know it's bearish. Okay, completely bearish here. You see they just busy selling here, and it's only this portion that went out of the box of the rectangles and they quickly push it back inside. So we know that there were sellers here. We don't need any other information, we know. So yesterday night, which was the 21st of March, on Sunday night, I noticed that okay, we should sell the USD yen. Okay, but if you didn't know that you shouldn't enter the market if you shouldn't enter the market before London open, and you place your trade here overnight, you know, and you didn't close it before London open, you see where the arrow is. These are the people who come in 7 o'clock, London time. Okay, they will come around 6 to 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. From 6 o'clock London time to 8 o'clock, they will come and they will mess your trade up. They do it consistently all the time. They will come in the morning between 6 to 8. They will blow people's trade for them only to see the trade turn around in the direction that you were expecting. That's why I said that it's so important never to place any trade before 3 a.m. Eastern time, which is 8 a.m. London time. Okay, so you see right here is happening here. We know that we should sell. Okay, everything's telling that we should sell. But if you place your trade overnight on the 21st of March, which was Sunday here, okay, you have to close your trade the latest 4 a.m. London time, okay, which is according to the present time is that's 4 that's midnight Eastern time at this current moment, okay, but soon it will change, okay. But I don't want to talk about the time. If you want to know more, you can find out about the conversion. All right, now the important thing that I'm talking about here is never to enter a trade before London opens. If you are trading stock in the London session or the European session, don't place any trade till after 3 a.m. Eastern time. Otherwise, they will just kick you out, and then you will see that your trade is going like here right now, like this arrow is showing. It happened again this morning when people came in and they use their stochastic here, and then they mess those people who place their trade overnight here, and only to see now the professional say, thank you very much, this is the best place to sell, and the professional came in and they sell it. You see, the whole day, it went all the way down. All these people who were buying here, if they don't take their profit quickly, okay, they will lose. See, okay, you see, because they were completely wrong with the analysis. So I hope you learn something, and remember that the rule number one is the time of you enter your trade. You can be right, but you may lose money. A lot of traders are trading very well. They know in their heart, but they keep losing every day, every day. But these people can trade very well. But the only thing that there are some little things they need to remember and avoid to do. So you sit on your hand, you know, you don't place any trade. Even if they give you $1 million, don't trade, okay? Just refuse, okay? After London open 8 a.m., okay? Give yourself half an hour, watch the market. You see, London opens right here, you see? And then what's happened? The price, it just shows us, you know, this green one has been cancelled, you see? This week he is telling us, okay, it's a bearish, you know, it went all the way up, went above this one only to be cancelled nicely and close even below the middle line of the median line of this green candle here. What do you need again? It's finished, you know, it's finished, it's over, it's sell, okay? You just sell and you take your first profit, okay, somewhere here at the support level, and if you break the support again, and then you sell again. You see, that's what's happened. So I hope you learned something from this little video, and until next time, enjoy yourself and never trade before 3 a.m. Eastern time if you are trading the European session or the forex market in the morning, and you stay in the market only for 2 hours. So you are in 3 a.m., you are out 5 a.m. Close, finish, get out, okay? And you come back again when New York is opening at 9:30. Okay, if you want to remain in market, place your stop at break even or use a trailing stop to avoid being kicked out. Okay, till next time, enjoy yourself and be happy. Thank you.